Let me be brutally honest with you. Your Android phone might be listening to you right now. And no, this isn't some conspiracy theory. Every major Android update quietly reactivates certain voice features, and your microphone stays warm in the background, waiting for the next command. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 hidden switches you must turn off to stop your phone from silently accessing your mic. And stay till the end because I'll show you a live audit that reveals exactly which apps used your microphone in the last 24 hours. Let's take back your privacy. Step 1. The master privacy switch. This is the strongest and fastest way to block all microphone access at once. It's built into every Android phone from Android 12 onwards. Here is what you do. Open Settings, and in the search bar, type Microphone Access. Tap the option shown under Security and Privacy. Now simply turn the microphone access switch off. That's it. Every app is now blocked from using your mic. If you try sending a voice note on WhatsApp, you will see a warning that the mic is disabled. The beauty of this, you can turn it on only when needed, then turn it off again for total protection. This one switch acts as your digital safety lock. Step 2. Disable Google's background listening. Now let's shut down the most common culprit, the Google Assistant. It loves to keep your microphone awake in the background and even reactivates itself after updates. Here is how to shut it down. Go back to the settings and open the Google section. Tap All Services, Settings for Google Apps. Now open Search, Assistant and Voice. Enter the Google Assistant settings. Now switch these off one by one. Voice Match. Turn off Hey Google detection completely. Lock screen. Disable assistant access here as well. Personal results. Switch it off. This one is critical because it constantly needs mic access to optimize your results. Google may not be recording full conversations, but it does keep the microphone active. Turning these off shuts down that constant background listening. Step 3. Disable keyboard voice input. Your keyboard has a built-in voice typing feature. If you don't use it, don't leave it running. Go to Settings. Open General Management or simply type keyboard in the search bar. Turn off Google Voice typing or write by voice. Another silent listener gone. Verification. the usage audit. Now let's verify everything with the full microphone usage report. This step shows you exactly which apps touch your mic and when. Go back to Settings, Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Permissions used in the last 7 days. Or in my case, Privacy Dashboard. Filter the list by microphone. You will now see a detailed, time-stamped history of every app that accessed your microphone. Turn on Show System Apps for full picture. No guessing, no assumptions. Just a raw proof of who used your mic and when. By blocking the master mic switch, disabling Google's background listening, and shutting down voice typing, you have dramatically boosted your phone's privacy.